You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, including from the Bible. Biblical names many struggle with and mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So let's break down how you pronounce this name. Achaicus, A-K-A-Cus. Stress on that K syllable. Achaicus is how you pronounce this biblical name. It's easy once you know Achaicus, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.